Isotopes of carbon, page number 54. Now, atomic number of carbon is 6. It is the first member of fourth group. There are 3 isotopes of carbon in nature: carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. These are represented by, if you have a look over here, carbon. Now this is atomic number 6, 6 and 6. It is same, but mass number it is 12 over here, 13 over here and 14 over here due to the difference in the number of neutrons. All the isotopes have 6 protons in their nuclei and 6 electrons in their orbit. The number of neutrons in carbon 12 is 6, carbon 13 is 7 and carbon 14 is 8 in their nucleus. So let's discuss over here. Isotope name carbon 12. Now if you have a look over here, this is the structure or atomic structure of carbon atom. Now it is having, you can see over here, these are 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and you can see 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's why it is called as carbon 12. So symbol it is carbon. On the top we always write the atomic mass, and over here we write down atomic number. So number of neutrons equals to 12 minus 6, that is A minus Z. Atomic mass minus atomic number, so 12 minus 6 equals to 6. So number of neutrons equals to 6. And isotopic abundance percentage 98.98%. Carbon 13. Now if you see over carbon 13 means that the mass number over here will be 13. So over here there are 6 number of protons, 6 number of electrons, but neutron number it is different. If you see over here, this is carbon 13, atomic number is 6 and mass number is 13. So how to find out the number of neutrons? Atomic mass minus atomic number. So 13 minus 6 equals to 7. So mean to say that number of neutrons over here it is 7. And isotopic abundance percentage it is 1.109. Carbon 14, mean to say that the mass number over here will be 14. Now over here again 6 number of protons, 6 electrons, but neutron number it is different. Now this is carbon, this is 6 and this is 14. So how to find out the number of neutrons? So atomic mass minus atomic number, that is 14 minus 6 equals to 8. So we say that the number of neutrons over here it is 8. And isotopic abundance percentage it is 1 part per trillion ppt, means it is very rare isotope. So we say that in carbon 12 there are 6 neutrons, in carbon 13 there are 7 neutrons, and in carbon 14 there are 8 neutrons. Next is isotopes of chlorine. Atomic number of fluorine it is 17. It is the second member of 7th group. There are 2 isotopes of chlorine in nature, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. 35 and 37 is the mass number of chlorine. The abundance of fluorine 35 it is 75.53%, and that of fluorine 37 it is 24.47% in nature. These are represented by, now if you see over here chlorine, this is atomic number, this is mass number is 35 and atomic number is 17. Chlorine 37 it is mass number and this is atomic number. Both isotopes have 17 protons in their nuclei and 17 electrons in their orbits. The number of neutrons in chlorine 35 it is 18 and in chlorine 37 it is 20. So isotopes of chlorine, chlorine 35, if you see over here, The number of number of protons, it is 17 over here, and number of electrons, it's also 17 over here. But how many number of neutrons will be present over here? This is atomic number, this is mass number. So atomic mass minus atomic number. So 35 minus 17 equals to 18. So there are 18 neutrons in chlorine 35, and isotopic abundance percentage, it is 75.53%. Chlorine 37, it is the mass number of chlorine. Now over here again there are 17 protons, 17 electrons, but neutron number is different over here. So chlorine atomic number is 17, mass number is 37. So how to find out the number of neutrons? Atomic mass minus atomic number. 37 minus 17 equals to what? 20. So there are 20 neutrons in chlorine 37, and the isotopic abundance percentage, it is 24.47. So we say that chlorine 35 has 18 number of neutrons and chlorine 37 has 20 number of neutrons. That's why their masses are different. We will discuss the next isotope in the next video. Thank you.